Get into a car with value. 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD, the heavy-duty full-size pickup truck that has the power and technology you need to get the big jobs done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, premium sound system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers. Luxurious enough to impress the boss, tough enough to be the boss. That's the Silverado 2500 HD.